Daily use reveals a product designed with real-world scenarios in mind. Battery performance is consistent with its claims, delivering up to 10 hours on a single charge without ANC and slightly less when noise cancellation is active. The total 40-hour capacity with the charging case ensures several days of moderate use without needing to recharge. Fast charging is a practical addition, providing a quick boost when time is limited. The dual device connection works seamlessly, allowing effortless switching between, for example, a smartphone and a laptop, an increasingly essential feature for hybrid work environments. In conclusion, the QCY MeloBuds N20 present a compelling package that prioritizes functionality, adaptability, and performance. They may not aim to redefine premium design standards, but they excel where it matters most: sound quality, noise cancellation, battery life, and connectivity. For users seeking a reliable pair of ANC earbuds with advanced features like multi-point connection, AI call enhancement, and customizable audio, the MeloBuds N20 stand out as a pragmatic and high-value choice in their segment.